Hi guys, I've just got this package in the post today and it should be a external hard drive enclosure that I've ordered off play.com. As you can see there, play.com. So anyway, let's just unbox it. Just an invoice. And then here it is. It only cost me £11.49 delivered from play.com because they have free delivery on everything, which is quite good actually. Okay, it's just a USB one. Just something really simple. There it is. Because I'm going to be using it in RAID 0. And then I've also got a 1TB hard drive, so I'm going to have that as RAID 1, so it'll be backing up all my other hard drives onto that one. So there's the little connectors that it goes in. Also there's something in here. So what's this? Yeah, then it looks like just the USB cables in here. And also they've included a little screwdriver in there as well, which is quite handy. And also the screws are in here as well. Okay. That's that. Let's just see what else is in the box. I don't think there'll be much else. User manual. It's under here, and just the power supply for it. There you go. So that's the quick unboxing. Okay guys, I've just got my hard drive out of my other computer, which I'm going to be using. This is a 250GB Seagate. And I'm just going to show you how easy it is to put it all together. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to get this bit, which is the end bit, which has the on-off switch, power and USB on. And this just plugs straight into here. So I'll just plug that one in. I want to make sure I'm doing it the right way up. So that one onto that. And that one should go into there as well. There we go, them two are in now. Okay, so I'll slide that down there. And I can see the screws coming through here. So I'll put these metal screws that it came with into that. Then I've got these really tiny little black screws, and these just clamp in the end of this. And there we go, that's that done. It comes with a USB to USB cable. There you go, and that just goes into that. And also the power brick. And that just goes into the back of here. Okay, that's that. And then I just want to plug this end into the socket. And then turn it on and sit up, it works. Okay, that's it guys. Thanks for watching, please comment, rate and subscribe.